Families of 6 Tamil Nadu fishermen who have been languishing in Qatar jail for the past 8 months now have appealed for help. The families of the fishermen currently in Qatar prison for illegally entering their waters have demanded the central government's intervention. Vikram is now joining us live. Vikram, if you can give us the latest information about the kind of help that the fishermen's family are now asking and trying to get.
Well, Harishri, in July 2010, about 56 fishermen strayed into the waters of Qatar while they were working for Saudi fishing companies, and about 50 of them were later released and were out of the prisons. But 6 of them are still continue to languish in the jails. These 6 people hail from districts like Kanyakumari and Rameshwaram, and also one hails from Kerala. Now, these people are right now still languishing in the Qatar jails. The problem that they're facing at this point of time is that the owners who are supposed to actually pay the required fine have not paid the required fine to the Qatari authorities, and hence they continue to languish in the jails. Now, the families when we spoke to clearly say that they want the Qatar authorities and the central government to take up this issue as early as possible, pay the required fines and release these people and expatriate them back to Tamil Nadu as soon as possible. They've already urged the state government and also the Kerala state government, who in turn have actually gathered about 61 lakhs to pay for the legal expenses. But activists over here say very clearly that they have not been able to get the funds, and these funds have not reached the Indian embassy there in Qatar, and hence they still continue to languish in the jails of Qatar. So at this point of time, the demand of the families is just that they want these fishermen to come back as soon as possible, and that's the demand both to the central and the state government at the earliest. Back to you, Harishri.